Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to do a quick unboxing of the purchase that I made from Chic Sparrow during the second chance sale. I purchased a notebook and a notebook cover and a couple of other things. So I thought I would share with you what's inside. I did not ask for the box. It just came in a bubble, like a bubble envelope like this, and it doesn't seem damaged, or I guess we'll have to see, but it doesn't seem damaged at all. And it's flying all the way from United States to Japan. So here is the envelope, and I'm assuming with the invoice, they always include a nice sticker as their special gift. So this is very pretty. There's a sticker there. And let's see, I'm not going to look at it because I think the actual journal cover name is written on, so I'm going to leave that for later. So let's open the accessories first. I ordered some field notes notebooks. Oh, this is really nice. This is the National Park series. They're not very common here, so I decided to take this opportunity and purchase them. So those are the covers there. They're very nice, and I guess this one is in the grid, so it looks like that. I also purchased a set of wallet inserts, I think is what it's called. So it looks like, oh, I didn't even know that they had their logo on there. It's hard to see, but it's there. It says Chic Sparrow, made in the USA, and it holds, there's one, so the pockets aren't double-sided, so there's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I'm assuming that you can fit maybe 2 in one pocket. We'll have to see, but I wanted to use it for the A7 that I have. I just have too many cards, and there are a lot of cards that I don't use often, but I still want to carry with me. Cards like medical insurance and things like that. So I decided to get one of these. So as you can see with the size, I got the A5 Slim. Let's see what it is. Because it is second chance, you cannot choose the actual leather or the cover that you want. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. I think this is a buttered rum, and it has a lot of little, like, tiny little dots like pepper, like pepper. That's not a very good description, but little tiny little dots, but wow. And there's like interesting scarring, which I don't mind at all. I don't know why it is second chance, but let's look at the stitching. The stitching is white, and it goes all the way around. I ordered the deluxe style, and this is in the new pen loop, a new design. I don't know why it's second chance. I don't know if it's but it's really nice. I will try my best to get some close-up shots. Maybe this part here. But it looks to be okay. Maybe just this little part here that's makes it second chance. It seems to be fine. Yes, so I believe this is butter on them. So this is the order notes. You can see I wrote Tea House, Earl Grey, Mr. Darcy Brown's neutrals, smooth neutral leathers, please, and thank you. And then this one here is the Darcy buttered rum. So yes, I'm very, very happy. I know with the second chance, it's not a guarantee that you will get what you write in your notes, but this is really nice. Really, really nice. I don't know if the price of this is here, but because of the Black Friday sale. I think it was an extra 25% off, if I'm not mistaken. But yes, this is called the wide, and I'm assuming that it's similar to the A5 Slim. And it has 4 elastics. I have a buttered rum in the, it's a field note size, but I purchased it when it was called Distressed. I think it was called Distressed Buttered Rum or something like that. I'll have to show you one of these days, and I still have it. It was before they had the Odyssey line. I think they called it Distressed or something like that, but this is really, really pretty, and I'm very excited. I have this A5 Slim sketchbook size ring. It's not a ring, it's a spiral notebook that I want to house in here. So this is what the side profile looks like. I'm trying to see if I can focus it better. It's a little difficult because of the lighting. But it is, because it is a deluxe, it is definitely more thick. And but yeah, like I said, I'm just going to most likely just house the sketchbook in here, so I'm not going to carry it with me everywhere like my everyday carry. So I don't know if you can hear my kids, sorry about that. But yeah, that is the quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.